Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by sanitizing the auto siphon and tubing. Cleanliness prevents contamination. Once done, place the source container on a stable, elevated surface so gravity helps flow. Attach the hose to the auto siphon firmly, verify the check valve or clamp is functional, and make sure connections are airtight. Then, prime by depressing the pump or inserting the siphon into liquid to engage internal piston. You want a solid, quick intake. This first sequence sets reliable suction. Don't skip it. You now initiate flow. Push the siphon to the liquid level but keep the intake above sediment because you don't want solids transferred. Once positioned, operate the pump or release the piston to establish a steady stream. You should see continuous flow within seconds. Make sure the receiving vessel's hose end sits below the source to maintain siphon. If bubbles appear, stop briefly and reinstate the seal. Controlling hose height reduces splashing and unwanted oxygen pickup, important for delicate liquids. You finish by stopping flow deliberately. Raise the free end above the source or pinch the tubing to break the siphon, preventing backflow into the source. Then remove the auto siphon and tip remaining liquid back into the source to recover product. If the siphon stalls before completion, reprime the unit, inspect the check valve for trapped air, and clear any kinks or blockages in the hose. These quick checks fix most issues. Keep calm and methodical to avoid spills or contamination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.